Good morning. I wanted to pop on here real quick and explain this week's assignment to you and make sure that you understand kind of what's going on because it is going to be using the USDA website, which is pulled up in the background this week. And you all are going to be assigned to soil orders. And so you're all going to be looking at different things. And so I don't just want to kind of post it and not really explain it. Okay, so I'm going to put this link up here on the assignment. When you click on the assignment, it's all going to be right there for you. And you will find out what you're assigned to. You will be assigned to, because there are 6 people in this class and there are 12 soil orders. Okay, and so the first one, let's just say we were going to look at this. You will click on it, and it gives you a photo with a description of what that soil order is. Here, it explains it as well. If you want some more information, it's great in your book as well. We are in chapter 3, so this starts on page 50. It kind of gives you a little bit more information in your book than the brief snapshot here on the website. This little magic little button right here is called the map, and this is really where your assignment comes from, okay? So when you click on it, it flashes up all of these really cool colors, or I think it is. I like bright, colorful things. And so they tell you right here your dominant sub orders, and that is what your assignment is going to be about. Okay, the sub orders for your soil order. Okay, and so there is 5. And you are basically going to read all of these, and you are going to tell me the big things about them. And I'll put all of this in detail, but you're going to tell me what kind of crop it is good for, what is it good for. So for like this one, the aquafulls is good for, it does have some artificial drainage, and it has some other water control. So it's good for corn, soybeans, and rice are just some of the things. So you're going to basically make my kind of however you want to do it, PowerPoint with the 5 sub orders that you have for your soil order. You could do flashcards, you can just write it out, however you want to do it. I'm not picky about that, but I will make sure that you know what questions you need to answer for each sub order. Okay, so you're all going to look at these soil orders. So let me go back real quick. Just so you could see. So let's say you were describe this one, you could click on the map and it's totally different. Okay, so you have 5 different soil orders. So don't just assume that you know exactly. Okay, this is pretty cool if you want to take a few seconds just to look at this. This is, if it will pull up, is let me make it smaller real quick. Might be 2. That's a little too small. Sorry, guys. All right, there we go. So this is the United States with all of this soil orders. So these are the 12 classes that y'all are going to talk about laid out across the state. So you can see the soil up here is very different than the soil here in North Carolina. But you can kind of see that we all run the same here. And so that's kind of what we'll talk about next week. We're going to talk about soil textures, but this week we're talking about classifications and surveys. So I just wanted to pop on real quick and kind of explain that to you, that you all are going to be assigned 2 soil orders, okay? But you are going to be focusing on your soil order's suborder, which is right here. Okay, it's all spelled out for you, but that could have been a little confusing when I was writing that down. But if you have any questions about this assignment, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Shoot me an email, call my office phone, however you need to do it, get up with me, okay? I'm super excited you guys are in this class. You did a very good job on the first week. Looking forward to many more.